In this video, I'm going to show you guys my Robinhood portfolio, and this is the stocks that I have invested in so far. Today is actually not that good of a day, but I'm going to show you guys what's going on over there with my portfolio on Robinhood. But hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so this is actually my very first video on this channel. I've been fortunate enough to do another YouTube channel where I've gotten some success. So I decided, you know what, let me start and show you guys my investment journey. Now, this is not going to be my journey from the very beginning, unfortunately, but it is my journey from this point moving forward. So currently at the making of this video, it is January 11th, 2021. And this is a great time for me to document my journey and show you guys what's possible in regards to investing in the stock market. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start a screen recording on my phone, and then I'm going to log into my Robinhood app and show you guys everything. So right now my screen is starting to record on my iPhone right here, and I'm going to put that on the screen for you guys to see. So I'm going to go ahead and touch on the Robinhood app, and then it's going to unlock. And as you guys can see, today is not a good day. Of course, as I continue to make more videos, we'll get more specific as to what type of stocks I have and what companies I'm invested in and that type of thing. But as of today, once again, January 11th, 2021, this is where my portfolio is sitting right now on Robinhood. And just to kind of give you guys an idea, my journey in regards to investing hasn't always been good. As a matter of fact, it's been really, really rocky. And now I'm finally starting to climb out of that rocky place. Well, not so much today, because as you guys can see, I am currently down $6,618. The time is 2:33 p.m. here in Houston Central Time. The market's going to close in a little bit. But today, the reason why my stocks are insanely low right now, today I'm getting killed, is because my Tesla stock has gone down quite a bit. And I'll just kind of show you guys that real quickly here. So I have Tesla here, as you guys can see on the screen. I have 70 shares of Tesla, and my average cost is $493.39. Overall, I'm really, really good on Tesla as far as being up. My total return so far is $22,000. I wish that I could say that I was in the green $22,000. I am in regards to Tesla, but I'm not in the green overall. But this is a huge chunk as to why I'm down so much. So you see right here, it says today's return, negative $4,000. And of course, it's moving as I'm talking because the market's still open, right? And so the price is fluctuating as I'm doing this video. So I'm negative $4,000, almost $5,000 just on today alone. And then of course, Apple as well it's gone down quite a bit. So as you can see today, Apple is down $3.20 something cents. Of course, once again, the market is open right now, so it is moving, and that's why you see the price fluctuating on the screen. And currently I have 561 shares with Apple. Today's return is negative $1,800. So those two stocks alone are a huge reason as to why I'm currently negative $6,500 today in the market. But just to kind of give you guys a little snapshot of my experience so far since investing on Robinhood, right now you can see on the screen it says 1D, which means today, right? Then you see 1W, which means 1 week. So it's showing you the progress that was made in the last week, of course. And then you see 1M as in Mary, which means 1 month. And it's showing, again, the progress that's made on the screen for 1 month. And then, of course, there's 3M, which shows the progress that's been made in 3 months. And then this is the killer, you guys. When I touch on 1 year, as you guys can see for the year, in the last 52 weeks, I'm actually down $11,000. Now, that may seem like a lot because it is a lot, but there was a time where I was down even more than that. And as I start to make more videos on the channel, I'll show you guys more information about that. But I just wanted to make this video and get this video out there. This is going to be this is my first of many videos here to come on the channel, my investment journey. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Turn the notification to all so that you get all the notifications once I upload videos or when I do live streams here on this channel. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share this video and this channel with somebody that may benefit. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm ending my screenshot here, my screen recording. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.